Hey friends, how are you? I hope you're having a great day today. Today we will be creating a zebra, so let's get started. The first thing that we're going to do is make a slightly curved line. Then we are going to make a big, long U, kind of pointy at the end, like that. So this is going to be our zebra's face and head. Let's go back up to the top, and we're going to make a curved line going up and a curved line coming down. A curved line going up and a curved line coming down. Those are going to be our zebra's ears. Inside of our zebra's ears, we're going to make some smaller curved lines. That'll just give a little bit of detail to the inside of his ears. And then down here at the bottom, we're going to make a very wide U or a curved line. That's going to be the bottom part of his face. Let's put a few nostrils right here, and then we're also going to make some very wide set eyes. Let's put some smaller circles inside those ovals, and we can fill the bottom part in with our marker. These are going to be the shine marks right here, the little white dots, the shine marks or the reflection marks. Let's put a little bit of hair for the mane on our zebra. And then let's move down to the bottom here for his body. Because this is a cartoon zebra, I'm going to make his body a little bit smaller. So I'm going to make a curved line and a curved line. And then I'm going to come in, come up, and come up, and then close up. At the bottom of this, I'm going to make some back legs, and those are just letter L's. So this is a letter L, and this is a letter L that's backwards. Let's make some little hooves right here. And then we can add a little bit of detail because, as we all know, zebras have stripes. They are black and white striped. So you get to add the stripes wherever you'd like. I think I'm going to add one right here at the top of his head. So I have a V, and then I make another V inside. So that's his stripe. And then I think I'm going to make a stripe here and a stripe here. If you would like to make a different type of stripe, I know that sometimes people just make lines like this going down, and they like to make that kind of a stripe. That's fine to do as well. Then we're also going to make his tail. So his tail is just going to stick out the back. We're not going to be able to see it from the front because it is a front shot of our zebra. For the background, I think what we can do is we can make a line like this. Remember to hop over your zebra when you are making your line so that you don't go through his body. We can add a few little plants down here. Maybe, oh I know, how about some mountains? So let's start here. We come up, we go over our zebra, and then we come down. It's a neat background. And then here can be another mountain going up that way. If you'd like to put a sun or some clouds in the sky, that's always a good idea. And I think I'm going to make a tree back here because I have a little bit of room in the background. Just a simple tree, maybe with some leaves at the very top. Maybe even one more right there. Alrighty, I hope you enjoyed this lesson. I'll see you next time.